everybody! So I'm finally doing another makeup tutorial before Halloween. It's like for Halloween, I guess, or if you're like me and you just like to dress up and do fancy makeup when you're bored. Got my bubble tea already. I got a peach one this time with loads of popping pearls, and I got normal tapioca. I don't normally get that, but sugar is good. Right, so for this tutorial, I decided I wanted to do Wendy from The Shining. Not Stephen King's version of The Shining, but the cult classic version that we all know. This makeup tutorial isn't too crazy, like makeup-wise. It should be quite simple, but I wanted to go in and like really exaggerate the eyes. She has really big eyes and quite like sunken cheeks, and they're quite rosy. And I want to try and get the outfit as well. And I thought this would be a good Halloween costume if you want to dress up, but maybe you don't want to go super crazy, you want to go a little more subtle, or if you love The Shining like I do, then this is like super cool. So first thing we're gonna do is go in with the base. I'm just gonna do a normal, what I would normally do for my base. So we got like primer, face powder, foundation. I'm just using the basics. I got e.l.f. primer, I've got Revolution Pro foundation, and I've got a Jeffree Star face powder. And also for concealer, I'm using Jeffree Star as well. Luna is just here as well. You can just see the top of her head. Do you want to come say hello? Do you want to come here? Do you want to say hello? She's getting all cuddly because it's getting colder. And she's a summer baby. You're a summer baby, aren't you, baby? Yeah, I know. She's all cuddled up in the blanket. Oh, I'm scared to move this. She's there. So cute. So for contouring, she has quite sunken in cheeks, so I'm going to go in and shade that in as well. And I'll probably go in around the nose and then around the eyes, because she has quite like a sunken in face where she's quite thin. Controversial, I'm going to use a color from my brow palette, which is this one in the corner that I use all the time. I use this one for my normal contouring, and I might dip into some of the darker shades as well. Cheeks in, I'm also gonna do under my jaw, and I might do the temples a little bit as well. Okay, so now that I've done the majority of the contouring, I'm gonna do the nose and eye area, and then I'll do eyebrows. She has a little bit more of like almost like a button nose. It's quite cute. So take some of that contour and do a bit of a line across the bottom. We're gonna accentuate more of a roundness here. I'm gonna put a little dark below as well. And then blend that out. help with the like wide eye, almost like not bulging but like big eye effect. Putting some dark just under here and like kind of squinting when you do it will help your eyes look a little more round and bulgy. I'm also gonna put a paler color on my actual lids. I would suggest like a sort of neutral or light pinky kind of color. So now I'm gonna do the eyebrows. She has fairly thin, sparse, but still dark-haired eyebrows. I'm just gonna use the same palette and then an angled brush. So now I'm gonna go in with blush and highlight. She is, because they're out in the snow, she's quite like the fresh air has really hit her face. She's got a bit of a peachy pinkiness, a little bit of redness, some shine across like her nose and top of her cheeks. I'm gonna start light and then go in dark because I'm not quite sure what pink I want. But I'm gonna go in with this fairly pale pink first, and then I might go into one of these darker shades depending. I actually really like that pink, so we'll just stick with this one. And then put some across the nose as well. I'm gonna dab in with my hands just a little bit of a darker color, and then we're gonna blend that out. And then we're gonna pop on some highlighter. So I'm gonna be using quite a peachy one. I don't know if you can really tell on there. It's this one here. It's a very like peachy, pinky, oh. I'm also gonna pop a little bit of highlighter just on the center of the eyes, just to kind of add to that really big doe eye. Right, we're nearly there now, so I'm gonna do my hair. Thankfully, I already have black hair as a base, so I'm gonna like tuck the blonde bits back and do sort of like a ponytail look. If you don't have dark hair, just use a wig. Change my outfit real quick. This is actually really cozy. So obviously I don't have the exact patterns or colors that she's wearing, but I do have the green plaid and a turtleneck with some sort of print on the front. This is like the outfit she's wearing in one of the big scenes where she's like at the baseball bat and Jack's like following her up the stairs. I don't have any overalls either, so that would really complete this look. I do, however, have a knife, which is what she does have when she gets chased into the bathroom, and it's the like huge famous scene when Jack has the axe on the door. If you do this look, do not use a real knife or any real axe or anything. Please use Halloween props and stay safe. I sadly don't have any props, I just have a huge kitchen knife, but I'm being very careful. Feel free to tag me if you post any pictures of your Halloween costumes, because I love seeing people's like creative looks, and it really inspires me for my next looks as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Luna can say goodbye. You gonna say bye? Oh, you got too many blankies. She's like, let me sleep. We'll let Luna sleep. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!